Welcome to the FFRS Racing Series. Today we are back at the road course of Watkins Glen. This is a new track added to Talladega, and I want to try it out in my racing series. Well, we're going to be green here in 3, in 2, in 1. Here we go. Austin Dillon and Josh Berry take the green. Alright, the TV camera here at Watkins Glen is not too good, our main TV camera. So the personal camera series. Josh Berry leads in the spot here. He's got battles going on behind him as Bush and Briscoe. Bush and Briscoe are side by side for third here. Briscoe has been a winner in this series so far, and Noah Grayson has been a winner. Again, he will not be participating in this race. It's by Chase Elliott. Chase Elliott dives to the inside here. Tries to make a move on Josh Berry. He gets to his inside here. Josh Berry is forced to slide up. Chase Elliott will take the lead. Coming out of the bus stop here. Oh, here comes Briscoe. Whoa, oh, they're bumping now. Whoa, man, we're pushing in Watkins Glen. Oh, push Elliott. Briscoe gets loose there. Man, they got like a draft line up there. What the heck? We're pushing Elliott here. Trying to get him a run here. Blaney's falling. Who's that? Who's falling back? Briscoe now takes the lead. It's the 45 of Reddick. Did he get damage? Or did he just slow? I don't know. Briscoe, oh man, they're really stacking up over there. I have to take a look at something like drafting or something? It's a stack up over here. Guess we'll have to see. Whoa! Barry hits the curve. How pushing it back. Barry keeps getting cycled out. Whoa, we got to pass the lead here. Briscoe and Bush are side by side. Whoa. Briscoe, oh, they're still side by side. It's the bus stop here. Let's put some name tags here on the drivers. Oh, there are name tags. I did not see name tags. Here we go. Driver number 6 / Chris Busher. Oh, not Chris Busher. Chase Briscoe and Elliott's on his side challenging, but Briscoe will clear him as they come into the final turn here. Elliott now to his inside. Elliott has not quite cleared Briscoe. Not quite cleared Briscoe yet as they dive down into turn 1 here. It's almost, oh, Elliott overshoots it. Elliott's in the wall. I think Elliott's in the wall. We'll have to look at it. Briscoe's now getting single file in the back here. Again, they're still side by side for the lead here. Best friends Elliott and Blaney here. Blaney clears him though. But Elliott might get a run. Hasn't quite. Oh yeah, he's cleared. But Elliott could get good run to this bus. Whoa, Blaney flips the curb. No crashes yet, which is actually pretty surprising for me. We'll have to look afterwards why Reddick fell back so much. I'm still confused why he fell back so much. Because now Elliott gets the run here. As now Busher is trying to get that lead. Bush has fallen all the way back here. Blaney holding the lead here. As Busher drives to the inside now. Chris Busher is taking the lead from Ryan Blaney. But Blaney doesn't have anything. So they got dived down. Still fighting. They're mostly single files. Elliott and Blaney are fighting. Dillon, oh, yep, they're still fighting here again. Still no crashes. It's actually surprising. We expected a crash or two so far, but this has been a pretty calm race. Whoa, pulls out. Barry pulls out. To the outside of Busher here as they come back to the bus stop. Mostly too wide to the pack. It's been a pretty competitive race here. The lead's been changing a lot. So Bush is in the back here. Elliott and Blaney are still fighting. Still going to war here. Again, Barry's still holding that lead. Holding that lead really good here, actually. Let's come to the final lap. And Austin Dillon is back. Austin Dillon is back. He fell back a little bit. At the start of this lap, he was in 6th. Now he's back to lead as they get single file in the back here. As they go down to turn 1. Well, man, they're really... Oh, very... Oh, Dylan gets loose there. As they're side by side for lead here. Busher and Dylan. Briscoe pushes Busher. Not going to be much there. Briscoe pushes Busher again. He's working his way past Austin Dillon. Barry's sunk back here. Let's go to Blaney, and here's... Whoa, Dillon's back to the inside. Busher is clear, though. Can Briscoe get to his inside? No, he'll not. They wrapped the bottom. Dillon's stuck on the outside. Blaney is falling back all the way to last place. We're going to see one final shot at the end of this. If Chase Briscoe can make a move here. Briscoe goes to the inside. Chris Busher on the inside now. What will happen as they go in this final turn? Busher clears him. Busher's got a length and a half. Chris Busher wins at Watkins Glen. All the way from last, Chris Busher will win at Watkins Glen. That was a pretty good race there. So we're going to stop the recording. We're going to see why Reddick fell back so much. We got to see why here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 1.7x speed. Let's go here. Okay. So it started off decent for Reddick. Did it happen in this turn? I mean, yeah, he just fell back. I mean, he missed that turn. Then he just never caught up, really. They weren't really focused. Oh, I see what it was. Here, let's slow it down a little bit. Let's slow it down to 0.5 here. So as they were going here, he clipped something and just lost it. And then he fell way back. And then as he makes his way back up, let's look at the camera here. Let's look at the hood cam. Yeah, he starts kind of making his way back up a little. Not much here. For the beginning parts of the race, he was far behind. He cannot catch. Like, see, he was back here, slowly gaining a little bit. So where was Briscoe at the time of all this? No, Busher. Busher was in second, right? According to this, Busher was in second. TV1, blank. Yeah, no, Busher got past here. So, I feel like Elliott went into the wall on one of these laps. Was it this? Yeah. No, let's see. Let's go to Elliott here. So, he got sent out, and then he turned at the last second. Okay, that explains it. Then Blaney got clear. That's honestly a pretty good race. I mean, look at their jumping through the bus stop here. Bunch of lead changes. Like, everybody was jockeying for a position. That was a pretty good race. I'd like to thank you all for watching this FFRS Racing Series race. Appreciate each and every one of you. Goodbye.